Wow, 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 wow. You are wondering why I am saying wow. 3 bedroom bungalow, fully furnished at this price, in this location. Sincerely, you can't get it anywhere. You can't get it here anywhere. So let's see the inside of this 3 bedroom. So everything that you are going to be seeing right now, it's coming with it, except the furnitures. But every other thing you are going to be seeing inside this bungalow is coming with it, fully furnished, except the furniture. So if you are ready with me, let's go inside and see. All right, so you have seen the inside. So this is Lekki Avana, and it's a newly launched estate right here in the heart of Eleko Junction. And this estate comes with C of O as title, and from here to the express is less than 2 minutes drive. So the location is good, and you can see the 3 bedroom bungalow is sitting on 300 square meter of land, and it comes with central water system. And as you have seen what we are doing here, so we are doing 200 units of this 3 bedroom bungalow. And like I said, everything you saw inside that building, it comes with it except the furniture alone. But now let's talk about the analysis right now. See, the price of land around there, 300 square meter, is 21 million naira. So remove 21 million naira from the price. Now also, the price of documentation, that is the legal fee, the developmental fee, and the survey, the price is around 5 million. So plus 21 million, that's 26 million. Now remove 26 million from this price, you can see the price of this estate. Now see, this price is the pre-launch price, and we want to sell only 50 units. Once the 50 units is finished, this price is moving from 65 million to 75 million naira for the one that comes with solar. But the one without solar, the current price now is 58 million. Once we sell all the 50 units, it's moving to 68 million for the one without solar. So currently the one with solar is selling for 65 million naira, and the one without solar is selling currently for 58 million naira. All you need to do is initial deposit of 10 million and 3 month interest free, 3 month interest free, and 6 months with additional interest. Now this is it. If you are buying between now and on the 15th of this month, you are getting a 1 million discount for either the one with solar or without solar. You are getting a 1 million discount on Lekki Avana. I'd like you to take advantage of this as a matter of urgency. Can you imagine how many units that have been sold in less than 3 days that this estate was launched into the market? So I'd like you to take advantage right now. What are you waiting for? Give me a call on the number on your screen and you can own 1, 2, 3 units of this estate. Now, see, this is one aspect you can do. You can actually buy this place and resell later. You can buy this place, keep and resell later as a smart investor. And if you want to buy and leave Nigeria in abroad, you can actually also retire in Lekki Avana because the location and proximity is a good buy. So for inquiries and inspection, give me a call on the number on your screen and I will gladly assist you. Welcome to Lekki Avana. Welcome to Eleko Junction. Welcome to Lagos. Till I come your way next time, God bless you and bye for now.